Hi guys, Paul here, Paul Phillips Fix. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you're a return viewer, thank you for your dedication. All I ask you guys, if you could please give a like and subscribe. It shows YouTube somebody's watching. There's an algorithm. If people don't give likes, the channel just fades away into the netherworld. And I'm an Amazon affiliate. In the video description, I post links for tools and supplies that I use that I approve of. I've been using them and had good luck with them for years. I'm not sponsored by them, so I give an honest opinion on tools, even if I was receiving them for free. If they were junk, I would call them junk. All right, so today I got a 2021 Highlander XLE. I'm putting roof racks on here. Here's the directions. You got the 2 bars, the 4 pieces for the sides, and their covers. You get 5 bolts, and there's actually 6 bolts. One of them is a small one, and one of the larger ones, and a small washer. They give you them for extras, and two keys for the roof racks. You can lock them. Somebody posted a video on YouTube saying you needed a 12mm socket. These are the combination of these fasteners are 5mm and 4mm bolts. They're hex head bolts, you know, dome capped Allens. So I would suggest, if you do have tools, do not use the tools that come with the product. They're not of good quality. They're cheap. I'm going to show you everything over here. I have my Craftsman Allens and Allen sockets. I'm using a T-handle to assemble these. So this is what you get. You get the 2 bars. Mine were clearly labeled. If the bars are not labeled, the thicker side of the bar is going to the front. It's like a wing, shaped like a wing. So the fatter side would be to the front of the vehicle, and it slims down. And I do believe, I'm sorry if I'm yelling, I'm not used to the wireless mic set I got. I'm used to these lousy GoPro mics, and they suck. Let me look. It says which one's wider. I think the front is wider. Yeah, the front bar is the wider one if they're not clearly labeled. So what you got to do is remove these 4mm screws, the fasteners, and then put these caps on. Like I said, they're labeled inside. So they have labels on the outside, right hand front. Then in here it says right hand front. So you really can't mix them up. So they're going to go upward from the bow, because the car roof is like a dome. So you're going to assemble them upside down. You want them to be like a bow. So in the directions it says leave them at their full extended width, and it should fit the vehicle better. So I'm leaving them just shy of snugged, so I can adjust them if I have to. I've been doing this for about 10 or 15 minutes, getting it set up. It's not that big of a deal. I would suggest that you have some kind of plastic body tool, trim removal tool, because there's little caps on the roof that you're going to have to remove. I'm going to show you those right now. We're going to have to get on a step ladder and take them off. This is a trim tool I have. I'm going to use this to pry them out. I don't want to scratch it up. I'm going to push this off of the edge of the table because I don't want the wind coming and falling down. Beautiful SUV. I love this car. First time I've been in one. I drove it over here and I like it. I want one. Sad part is I usually get used vehicles. Toyotas hold their resale value. It's depressing for me. So just put your trim tool in here. Should be able to pry it up, I hope. This is just bending this tool. I bet you I'm going to have to do it with a pocket screwdriver, guys. This tool is not doing it. There it goes. A little stubborn getting that out. So you're just going to remove those caps. Hold on to them in case you ever want to remove the roof racks. You're going to want to hold on to these caps. push it in there. There we go. Got to kind of really shove it in there. Got to go around to the other side of the car and do the same thing over there. Yeah, those are really on there. What kind of a bug is that? Scary looking. There we go. It worked better with the wider end, just shove it in, made it pop out. Alright, now we're gonna get the racks. Let me set my camera up on the end of this roof so you can watch me line them up. Put the other camera there. We're gonna go for the front ones first. My mic's still working, microphone working, mic's working. So I got sick of the horrible audio, so I bought this Saramonics UW Mic 9 set, and I love it. The sound quality of the channel has been greatly improved. Excuse me, I can't speak English sometimes. All right, so I'm going to need a 5mm for these. I wanted to put a little Loctite on these. I didn't want these coming out. I'm going to put some blue Loctite on these. This is the front rack. So it's the wider side to the front of the vehicle, guys. No spaces or anything, huh? Make sure you do not cross thread this. Start it with your hand. Do not tighten this side down until you get the other side on. I think I got that one lined up. No, I didn't get it lined up. I was off. I was way off. So I have a big gap on the other side. I'm going to slide this one over a little bit so it's got uniform gaps on each side. Laying this down gently as to not scratch the car. I'm not going crazy with the Loctite, guys. Just a little dab will do it. I just want to make it so they don't back out, that's all. Do not use red Loctite. You will never get this off. Absolutely under no circumstance use red Loctite. You don't have to go totally psycho tightening this up. Just snug them up nicely. Good right there. These are not grade 8 hardened bolts, and you're not going into stainless steel or something like that. It's softer material, so don't go crazy tightening these guys. Use a little common sense there. All right, I'm bringing this one over a little bit. There we go, so the spaces are even. Making sure I'm set in there right. And that's tight enough. I'll give it a little bit more. There we go. Now I'll come back with a 4mm Allen and snug these up, all right? Oh, I didn't film that, huh? I said I'll come back with a 4mm Allen. I'll get my gap even on both sides. I like uniformity. It just looks better. It looks more finished. I'm setting this down gently so I don't scratch the car. I'm gonna go get the other rack. I think it was nice of them to give you an extra bolt and a small screw and washer. Things do get lost sometimes, and that sucks if you misplace something. Now this is saying at its widest point. I don't see it being like that. There's a load of gap on here, man. This has got to come in more. Yeah, they're not on the widest. It's not on the widest on the rear one. Definitely not on the widest setting. I almost forgot my Loctite. I'm going real gentle here so I don't cross thread this. That doesn't feel right. There we go. That wanted to cross thread, guys. Be careful you do not cross thread these. I'm running over to the other side to do that one now. I didn't tighten this one down. I left it loose. I'd rather climb up and down the step ladder an extra time and get them on there right than jamming something up. And I left my screw over there, damn it. No, I left my thread locker over there. Don't get old and senile, guys. You got to do extra trips. Just worry about where I had the camera aiming. I like starting it by hand. When I start them with the tool, I just rotate it a little bit. I don't put any tension on it. Remember, you do not have to go crazy with these. Just feeling them again. I want to make sure I have them tight enough for my preference. If you're using a tool, remember you got leverage. So take that into consideration so you don't go stripping it out by over tightening it or snapping the bolt off. All right, that's that. Now we're gonna have to get our caps and set up. Oh, first we gotta set up centering this with the gap on each side. Let's see how this looks. This one's got a big gap on this side. It's got a big damn gap on it, man. Both of them got a big gap on them. Yeah, it's got a big gap on both sides. Well, that's the way they made it. Nothing I can do about that. It's the way they manufactured it. Right hand front, right hand rear, left hand rear, left hand front. So these just fit into place. I guess the key just locks them. It's got little clips on it. Yeah, the lock locks into here and secures it. These little clips just fit in here as well. I'm going to tighten it down first with the Allen key. Camera. Doesn't that suck? So I'm going to tighten down these first. That battery's dead. We're working with the one other camera. Remember, you're working upside down, guys. You're going to have to turn it in the opposite direction. That's why I left these almost snugged up, because I knew it was going to be kind of a pain in the ass to get to these under here. It's awkward. Make sure your key is in there all the way. These things can round out easily. Those are small fasteners. You don't have to go crazy on them. They are small fasteners. All right, let's put one of these on so you can see how they go. This looks like it snaps underneath it. Let's open a lock. I can't get the key in the damn lock. There it goes. So the key's got a little door on it. You got to slide it over to get the key in. I thought it pushed in. All right, so they're in the open position. Nope, they're in the locked position. So you gotta, this is open. When the key's horizontal, that's in the open position. I got them backwards. This is right hand rear. Sorry about that, guys. I got my covers mixed up. I got my covers mixed up. So get it in the unlocked position. Slide it up underneath. Make sure it's slid underneath. And it should snap on. Boy, that's tight. I'm afraid I'm going to crack this damn thing. Awkward to get on there. I think you got to get the bottom on first. Yeah, the bottom's got to go in first. It's got to go underneath it. There we go. There we go. And the lock cylinder popped out. What the fuck is going on here? The lock is not lining up with it. It's left-hand rear. I'm on the right side. It's on there correctly, and it's not going on. Why is this not lining up with the hole? I'm off. Does that have to be on there looser? That should line up. That should line up, guys, and it's not. I'm backing off on my bolts some. Maybe you can't snug it up much. Maybe you can't go very snug with them. That lock is not lining up with the damn piece it's supposed to lock on. That lock is not lining up, guys. I don't know why. This is not lining up right at all. Not at all. I'm gonna go check the other side. That's not even fucking close, man. That's off like by a half an inch. It's off by a half an inch, man. That's got to go right in there for that to lock. Yeah, that's got to really line right up with that, man. I don't know why that's not lining up. I'm going to loosen the other side some. See if these just got to be slightly snugged. That could be it. Maybe it can't snug them up much. It's cocking it. Should be able to tighten a damn bolt. That's kind of crazy that they would have you have to go loose with the bolt for it to lock. It's still off. That time I got it. Yeah, you cannot tighten these a lot, guys. It's just the way it is. Can't snug that down tightly on the roof. That's crazy. I did not go crazy tightening those. So you got to back them off a little bit. Only snug them a little bit, guys. That's why I'm glad I put thread locker on them. I guess they're not going to back out anyway, but that's kind of crazy. Should be able to snug them down more than that. I got to get my 4 mil and tighten that up. So guys, you can only loosely tighten those larger fasteners, or else it throws that cylinder out of alignment and you cannot get the lock in. It's kind of shitty design. Figured you would want something like this tight and secure on your roof, wouldn't you? Still filming now. Why did it die on me? I'll go inside and get another battery if I have to. Come on over here, you. Talking to you. Yeah, I'm disappointed with how loosely those fasteners have to go on there for this thing to fit together. I'm not crazy about that. But the thread locker didn't set up yet anyway, so that's good. I prefer to definitely have thread locker on there if you got to go this damn loose with these fasteners. It's kind of silly. I got them mixed up again. I'm mixing up my left from my right, guys. I'm gonna try this a little snugger than this. I don't like that loose bolt crap. Make sure you catch those little tabs on there. Lock's not gonna catch again. Gotta back it off a little bit. It's nice that the cover at least covers the gap on the bar, because that would look like shit if this cover didn't cover it up. I don't know why they didn't fit them a little better than this. I guess they gotta leave room for error with the manufacturing of the cars, you know. A lot of pieces going together here. Things don't always precisely line up. It's not aerospace technologies. Can't see what the hell I'm doing under here. All right, last one, guys. They look good once they're on there. The rubber seals are nice. Nice roof racks. I'm gonna have to back this one off again. Try that. Gonna open the lock. There we go. Put you over here. Can't see what the hell I'm doing, neither can I. Gotta feel it. Well, guys, that's roof racks on a Toyota Highlander XLE. That's how they look when they're done. Not bad. Finished installation looks pretty nice. Not bad. I guess I got to take the stickers off now, huh? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, please go like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. There's no obligation. And if you use any of those links, there's no added cost to you. Amazon kicks back like 4% or something on a purchase. It just helps cover the expenses of camera equipment, audio equipment, video editing, software, the computer to do it on, blah, 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 blah. Wah, 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 cry, cry, cry. And that's it, guys. Take good care of your Highlander. It'll take good care of you. Take good care of your families and the ones you love. And guys, take good care of yourselves. Stay safe out there. It's a mad, mad world now. I don't know what's going on. I had to cut back on the news a little bit, man. All this stuff. Insane. Slava Ukraine. Take it easy, guys. We're out. Wendy?
Yeah?
I had to put the bolt, I had to make the bolts loose for this thing to fit, which is retarded. If you put the bolts on nice and snug, the damn roof rack doesn't fit. Yeah, that's pretty sad. You know? Kind of depressing. Me. Kathy's going to be so happy with her car now. Oh boy, going to be excited. Going to be excited. Going to be excited now. Roof racks. Load the car up with a bunch of crap now. Damn stickers, I hate stickers. They never come off. Damn stickers, I hate stickers. They never come off. Damn stickers, I hate stickers. They never come off. Time to clean up the crap now. At least I beat a rainstorm. We beat the rain, that's a good thing. Yeah, well, I thought I was going to get rained out. Gotta make sure I got all my tools. 4 and 5 mil, yes. Socket, T-handle. That's it. Get my sound equipment. I'm gonna give them their empty box in case they want to store this again.